Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, you will learn how to create a product using the Create New Product option. Let's begin. First, you need to log in to your seller account. Click on the Seller Login button. Once you log in, go to Products. Click on the Add New Product button. Here, you can create a new product as a seller. Add a completely new product with your own details. Fill in the basic details like product type, choose Simple, select an attribute family, enter SKU, and click Continue. Now enter more details like product number, name, URL key, and more. Set the price, cost, and special price. Choose the date range during which you want to apply the special price. Scroll down and enter the length, width, height, and weight of your product. Write a short description of the product. Enable settings such as New, Featured, Visible individually, and Allow Guest Checkout. Enter the long description, inventories, meta title, meta keywords, and meta description. Select the category. Upload an image by clicking Add New, choose the image, and finally click Save Product. Once the product is created by the seller, it is initially in the disapproved state. Once the admin approves the product, it will appear on the storefront. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.